The smart kitchen revolution, how AI and automation are reshaping the way we cook in 2025. The kitchen has always been the heart of the home, but in 2025, it's becoming the brain too. Thanks to rapid advancements in artificial intelligence and home automation, the modern kitchen is transforming into a hub of smart decision-making, energy efficiency, and personalized nutrition. From smart refrigerators that scan your groceries and suggest recipes, to ovens that recognize the dish you're cooking and adjust settings in real time, the integration of tech into everyday culinary routines is no longer a luxury, it's a lifestyle shift. What once required experience or intuition is now assisted by algorithms and sensors, making gourmet-level results accessible to anyone with a Wi-Fi connection. Voice assistants with cooking-specific capabilities are becoming commonplace, guiding users step by step, correcting mistakes in real time, and even tracking nutritional intake based on voice logs and food scans. Beyond appliances, smart kitchen ecosystems are emerging, connecting devices in seamless workflows. Imagine a blender that syncs with your fitness app to make protein shakes aligned with your workout goals, or a pantry inventory that updates automatically and adds missing items to your shopping list. These systems operate with minimal human input, learning habits over time to better serve the user. Kitchen layouts are also evolving to accommodate this new technology. Countertops now come with embedded touchscreens for recipe browsing or video calls, and induction cooktops are programmed via mobile apps. These trends don't only serve convenience. They promote sustainability by reducing food waste, improving energy use, and encouraging healthier choices tailored to individual needs. This evolution is not limited to high-income households. With more manufacturers producing mid-range smart kitchen products, accessibility has broadened. Subscription models for smart kitchen software updates and shared recipe databases are driving engagement, while visual cues and tactile alerts are helping bridge the usability gap for older adults or people with disabilities. The democratization of kitchen tech means that anyone can benefit from precision cooking, whether they're preparing a family meal or meal prepping for the week. Social media has also embraced this shift, with platforms flooded by viral smart kitchen hacks, making even complex technologies approachable through bite-sized tutorials and fire poster infographics. In 2025, the kitchen isn't just where food is made, it's where wellness starts. Personalized nutrition tracking, AI-suggested meals based on your medical history, and allergen warnings are making kitchens proactive health partners. As the tech matures, it's expected to integrate even deeper into health services, connecting directly with your doctor's dashboard or dietitian's mobile app. This level of interconnectivity opens the door to preventive health measures taken right at the source, your next meal. As kitchens become smarter, they're also becoming more empathetic, learning not just what we eat, but how we feel while cooking. The future isn't just automated, it's human-centered, efficient, and deliciously smart.